Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to another speaking session. So today I will be asking 25 common questions to Liman Hassan sir and he's going to answer them just in a sentence. Do you think that these sessions will help our listeners to improve their English?
Yeah, obviously, this will be very helpful because we cannot find the topic, of practicing. So this could be a topic where while you are practicing in a home with your friends or family members, you can use this type of questions, the easy questions that you can give answer in one word or one sentence. Okay?
Yeah. So I think it's all time to start. So are you ready?
Yes, I am super ready.
Okay, so this thing is really simple. I'm gonna ask him 25 questions and he is going to answer them just in one sentence. And you can follow this tutorial to practice your spoken English at home with your friends, with your family members, or with anyone. So, what is your name?
My name is Limon.
How old are you?
I am 24.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Rangpur.
Okay, that's great. And where did you grow up?
I grew up at Polashbury, Gaibantha.
Okay, where do you live now?
I do live in Dhaka.
What do you do?
I do teach. I'm an English teacher.
Okay. Are you a foodie?
Yes, I am.
Okay, just like me, because I'm too. And do you know who is foodie? Could you please elaborate this word to our audience?
Yeah, sure. Who loves food very much? That person called foodie.
Yeah, and this is more likely a slang. Well, what did you eat for breakfast today?
I didn't eat anything because I don't do breakfast usually.
Okay, what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is mutton.
Okay, what's the last place you have visited?
The last place I have visited is Farmgate.
This is quite funny, yeah. Do you love traveling?
Yes, I love so much.
And what's your favorite place?
My favorite place is Bandarban.
Okay, that's great. Are you a movie freak?
Yes, I'm so much of that. Okay, because I love to watch movie like all the time.
Okay, so movie freak. It might be a new phrase for you. We call a person movie freak when he or she loves to watch movies a lot, just like Liman Hassan. Well, then, the next question for you is what's the last movie you have watched?
Okay, so the last movie I have watched is Inceptor.
Inceptor.
Exactly.
Okay, so I need to watch that, right?
Yes, you need to because
Okay.
it's a sci-fi movie.
Okay, so what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is obviously black.
What's your blood type?
What's my?
Blood type
Oh, it's
or blood group?
yeah, it's AB positive.
AB positive. Okay, so who is your favorite person?
My favorite person is my father.
Okay, are you single?
No, I'm not. I'm married, unfortunately.
Okay, which one is your favorite game?
My favorite game is cricket. I love to play cricket, but I don't love to watch that.
Okay, what's your hobby?
My hobby is singing and meeting new people, knowing new people.
Okay, so tell me, what's love according to you?
What's love?
Just in a single sentence. That's the rule of the game.
Okay, love means sacrifice and trust. In my words.
Okay. What time do you usually get up?
I get up usually at 8 to 9 p.m.
Liar?
Yeah, no. 8 to 9 a.m. is the perfect time.
No, it's around 9 to 10 to 11 to 12.
No.
Yeah, that's the right answer. I know it.
Okay.
Then, what time do you usually go to bed?
Okay, I go to bed at 3 a.m. or sometimes 2 a.m. or sometimes 6 a.m. even.
And this is a very bad habit because early to bed, early to rise
Indeed, yeah.
makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise.
I'm healthy,
You're not healthy.
but I'm not wise, by the way.
Yeah, that's because of your sleeping habit. How often do you go for shopping?
It's not very often, but like I go sometimes with you, and that's because of you.
Okay, so tell me, how many languages do you speak?
I speak two language well, but barely one language. I mean, total three language: English, Bangla, and Hindi.
Okay, then tell me, how is the weather today according to you?
The humidity is, like up to the level. It's not the average, I must say, and it's feeling so hot and burning.
Okay, so how are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling right now. It's a little bit, funny because I'm having this kind of conversation with you and answering the silly questions to you for the sake of practicing English.
Yeah, that's right. So, well, that's all for today.
Okay.
We have actually asked 26 questions.
dear God!
We were supposed to ask only 25, but it's all right. So, well, everyone, if you like this video, then you can also practice your English with your friends or your colleagues, with your siblings or any family member, just in this easy way.
Okay, and it will help also help you to grow up the interview, knowledge. I mean, when you are having an interview or facing an interview, so these type of questions will be asked by the interviewer. So that will be helpful, very much helpful. Okay.
So you can do one thing, you can note all these questions down and practice them. And we will try to see you another day. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz. Don't forget to share this lesson
Indeed.
with all your friends. Bye bye, everyone.
Bye bye.